Hello everyone. In this quick tech video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list using Microsoft Excel. To begin with, we're going to select the cell that we want our first drop-down menu. In this case, how many days per week do you exercise? We'll highlight the cell. Under the Data tab, come over to Data Validation and left-click Data Validation. This pop-up box will appear, and under Allow, we're going to say List. Since this is a number of days per week, we're going to make our source pretty simple, and we're going to separate the options with a comma between 1 and 7. Once we have this filled out, we'll click OK. And now we can see on the right-hand side the drop-down menu of 1 through 7 as our different options. If you have multiple options for your drop-down list, as in our example, you want the type of exercises, then you can select it from a previously created list, which I have done over here in column N. Once again, we're going to click on the cell that we wish to create the drop-down list for. Under the Data tab, we're going to go back to Data Validation and click Data Validation. Under Allow, I want to select List once again, and I want to make sure that this in-cell drop-down box is checked. For the source, I'm going to left-click this up arrow. Select the first cell in your list and hold down left click and drag until all of them are selected. From here you can hit enter and you see our source box is filled out, and we're going to say OK. Now, again on the right hand side of the cell we have the drop down menu that will automatically fill in from our previously selected list. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.